Thunderstorms are a common occurrence in Indiana during the spring and summer months, but that means that there is always the potential for lightning and flooding.
Storm Team meteorologist Todd Clausen shows us the dangers of both and has information that can keep you and your family safe.
Thunderstorms are a beautiful and common part of weather. However, they are also dangerous and really should be taken serious whether the storm is severe or not. Now, for a thunderstorm to be considered a thunderstorm, it has to produce lightning like you see behind me. Lightning makes every thunderstorm dangerous. However, it does not make it severe. For a storm to be considered severe, you need 1-inch diameter hail, winds greater than 58 miles per hour, and/or the storm has to produce a tornado. Now, each year we have more than 100,000 storms nationwide. Of those 100,000 storms, though, only 10% of those storms become severe. But whether the storm is severe or not doesn't really matter if lightning is being produced. Lightning can strike 10 miles from the center of the storm, and it's responsible for many fires and many deaths throughout the course of the year. Now, another product of thunderstorm can also be a very, very heavy rainfall, and that can lead to flooding. In fact, flooding kills more people per year in the United States than lightning and tornadoes combined. Flash flooding is the most common and the most dangerous in thunderstorms because it just happens so quick. However, flooding can also occur in non-thunderstorms from snowmelt and excessive rain over a period of time, and that could lead to flooding in low-lying fields and yards. And then river flooding often becomes an issue in the days and sometimes the weeks after a storm system. While flooded roads may not look like they're going to be too dangerous, you should never attempt to drive through a flooded roadway or walk into rushing water for that matter. 1 foot of water can float a car, 2 feet of rushing water can carry most vehicles away, and just 6 inches of water will sweep you off your feet. So weather can be fascinating, and it's one of the reasons that I love weather, but you have to respect it as well. Conditions can change very quickly, and it doesn't even have to be severe weather. When dealing with lightning, anytime you hear thunder, you must go indoors. And when you see flooding, make sure you turn around and don't drown. Todd Clausen, WRTV.